Welcome back everyone. We're in the middle of summer here and it's tropical fruit season. So I'm going to show you how to do a really simple dragon fruit smoothie bowl using the Vibe blender. Now we're going to use frozen fruits today, which you should be able to grab in your local supermarket all year round. But if you do have access to fresh tropical fruits right now, then go ahead, grab some of that, chop it up and freeze it so that you're ready to make your own smoothie bowls. This recipe will be enough to make one big smoothie bowl or two small ones. Everything goes straight into the blender jug. Add 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks, 1 cup of frozen dragon fruit, 2 frozen bananas, and 1/4 cup of coconut milk. You could also add a little bit of maple syrup or honey for extra sweetness. Insert the tamper into the blender jug lid and blend on smoothie mode until you get a creamy, soft serve texture. Pour the smoothie mix into a bowl and finish with your favorite toppings. So there you have it. It's simple, summery, fresh and quick, easy in the Vibe blender as well. Give it a go for yourself at home, have a play around with different toppings and fruits. It's a great way to use up perishing fruit in the summertime, get it in the freezer, turn it into a smoothie bowl. If you haven't yet, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes, other ways to use your Luvele appliances at home. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us and we'll see you again in the next one.